Hey, what's up guys? This is Elliot here with the WordPress house, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to install a theme that you purchased online onto WordPress. So you can see here that I've got a blank installation of WordPress. I haven't created any pages, made any posts, done nothing. Here's what it looks like on the front end. It's just pretty basic. So first thing we need to do is find the zip folder that you got when you downloaded your theme. It should look something like this, and we will open it up with WinRAR or some sort of file extraction software. From there, we need to find the specific theme file. So that's going to be in the theme folder. And we don't need to worry about the manual install folder. We just need to look at these two zip files. So your theme may or may not have two. You may just have one, or you may have two, and the second one is always labeled child. And I'll explain that here more in a second. So we'll take these two files and we will extract them over to this folder. And we are now ready to install it. So some themes are going to have a parent and a child theme. If that's the case, you always need to install the parent first, and then you install and activate the child theme second. If you don't have two, then all you need to do is just install the one main parent theme, and yours just simply does not have a child theme. So you need to go here into Appearance Themes and click Add New, and then Upload Theme. So here I'm going to start with my parent theme. I'm going to upload that first and click Install Now. Okay, that's done. I'm going to go ahead and activate that theme. Now that that's activated, let's just take a quick look at our website and see if it looks any different. And it does. It looks a little different. It's styled. The colors have changed. So now let's go in here and add our child theme. So we'll do the same process, add new, click Upload Theme. Except this time we will grab the child theme and install that. That is done installing. We now need to click Activate, and our child theme is now installed. You'll notice here that we've now got a pop-up that says this theme recommends the following plugin. So every time you install a theme, it's going to have certain plugins that are required to make the theme run just as you saw it in the demo. So it's always going to recommend that you install different plugins. So we'll go ahead and install this Jet plugin wizard. I'll click Install, and that's all done. So we will now return to the dashboard. Now that that's done, it's given me another pop-up here. So what we just installed was a plugin wizard. Your theme may or may not have that. A lot of themes nowadays do have a wizard to where it's this simple. You just install one plugin and it gives you this nice big button to click that says Start Install, and it's going to install all the other plugins as well as the demo content for your website. So before we do that, let's go look at our website and just refresh it one more time. Okay, it looks exactly the same. So in order to get all the different pictures and content and pages and layouts that you see when you purchase the theme originally, we need to install the demo content and all the required plugins. So like I said earlier, mine uses a wizard, which is super simple. Yours may pop up and just tell you a list of like 10 different plugins that you need to install. So you'll simply just click install on each one of those. So for ours, we will click Start Install on the wizard. We will go ahead and click Next. Here is our theme that I bought. It's called Metricon, so we will start the install on that. And here it actually shows you the required plugins and all the recommended plugins. So again, these are not required down here, but in order to make the theme work exactly as you saw it in the demo, you do need to have all of these. So we'll keep all those and we'll just go to Next. And we're going to let all these plugins install. Alright, so now that our plugins are done installing, it's redirected us to the demo content installation. So here what we're going to do, it's going to give us an option to append the demo content to my existing content, which I have no existing content, or replace my existing content with the demo content, which again, I have no content. So if you have no content, it doesn't really matter which one of these you choose. I assume that 99% of you who are installing a theme are going to have no content on your WordPress installation. So we'll just keep this first option and click Next. And that's going to install all the posts, pictures, videos, layouts, sections of the demo website so yours can look exactly like that. And when this is done, we should simply be able to refresh our home page now, and it should look just like the demo. Alright, so everything is done installing. Our demo content is done. Just to confirm that we have installed all the demo content, we should be able to go into pages, and we should see a ton of pages now that were part of the demo, which we do see all these. And if we go back to our home page and refresh, it should look just like the demo site. And there it is. Alright guys, that's it. Our theme is installed and everything is looking just as it should be. So if you ran into any issues or you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below or shoot me a message and I will do my best to help you out. Thanks.